So what if I told you you never have to deal with yucky, rusty canning rings again? And it doesn't mean hours of soaking and then scrubbing. Wouldn't that be great? Well, I have a solution for you. I have been a canner for many, many years. I periodically post canning videos on this channel, and I have been a long time proud participant of Canuary. But when I'm making Canuary, I search and search trying to find non-rusty rings so they don't appear in my video. Because after canning for a while, especially if you're canning tomato products, no matter how well you think you're cleaning them, yeah, they get rusty and darn right ugly. So what do you do? Well, I'll tell you what I used to do. Yeah, when they got really bad, I tossed them. I threw them away. Little did I know that I could have sold them on eBay for making some rusty canning ring crafts. Who knew? But I don't have to worry about that anymore. I'm not discarding canning rings anymore because I found this wonderful product from Trellis Plus. Now, they have not sent me this. I did not get this product free of charge. It was just, I saw it and I had to buy it. It is stainless steel canning lids, and these are for the large mouth jars. And they're made out of 316 medical grade stainless steel. And I'm not an engineer. I mean, I don't know what that means, but I do know these are really flimsy. These are really sturdy. They are thicker. But being thicker doesn't impede. They really just screw on really simple. See? Take it off again. It's really easy. I was having problem with a lot of my canning lids, because they didn't seem to go on well. I think they were warping after time. Don't have to worry about that with these. Now, sure, you're still going to have to wash them. You don't want to leave any residue on them. But guess what? Yeah, you can wash them in the dishwasher. I mean, how great is that? And you can easily identify this from your other rings, you know, those old, thinner metal, maybe rusty rings, because it says Trellis Company right on it. And then over on this side, it says 316 stainless. And throwing these away, this isn't good for the planet. I mean, how long would it take for them to biodegrade? I have no idea. But this is a purchase once, have forever. It's like my All-American canner. It's going to last a lot longer than I'll last. So you might say, well, how expensive are they though? I actually bought 2 12-packs because this is all I'll need. You know, I could fit, I think it is 21 pints in my All-American canner, or 7 quarts. So this meets my need. 1 pack I got, each was $17.50, I think. So that's not bad when you consider it is a one-time infinity purchase. You're not getting any rusty canning rings. You're saving the planet. And if you're like me, you won't be embarrassed when you're making a canning video. I just think these are great things to add to your canning accessories. So I hope you give them a try. If so, let me know what you think about them. Or if you have purchased other stainless steel canning rings, how did it go? Comment below. And if you're interested, if you can reuse canning lids, watch this.